I have 3 children, Jack, Emma, and Marjorie. PBS Kids has been such a big part of our lives. We watch Daniel Tiger every day. Marjorie loves that episode when Prince Wednesday's cousin, Chrissy, is visiting, and Daniel notices Chrissy wears these leg braces.
She has braces just like me.
Getting the leg braces was difficult for Marjorie. Seeing Chrissy wear them just totally changed her mindset about it.
I feel like she was made just for me.
PBS Kids is such a value to our family.
Hi, everybody. I'm Blueberry, and this is my Clubhouse, and this is my periscope. Come on with me on a super fun adventure.
Hi, Blueberry. Hi, Max. Happy birthday, Max.
Happy birthday.
I'm Jeannie.
I'm Claire.
And we're at Zig Zag in Little Rock. We are an art studio where kids get to come and make messes, #1, and art, #2. And today, we're gonna help you guys make some decorations for the clubhouse, for the birthday party. So the first thing we're going to do is we're gonna make some blue buntings. What's a bunting?
It's like a banner with
banner?
different shapes on it.
Triangle flags. And we're gonna make it blue because Blueberry. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use some glue, and we're gonna make wavy lines because the lake. So we're gonna make lake lines for our buntings. Are you ready? You gonna make some wavy lines with me? Okay, so we are gonna make wavy lines, and it's white glue on white paper, so you can't see it very well. But once we paint it, these invisible lines will appear. Good wavy lines, Claire. Okay, for our next step, we've let the glue dry completely, and the best thing to do is to maybe leave it overnight, or at least like 4 hours. Is it dry? Can you feel it? And you can't really see the glue, but you can feel the texture of the glue on the paper. Okay, and now we're gonna paint, but we're not gonna paint the whole thing all at once. We're gonna paint a little section, and then we're gonna take a paper towel and wipe off the lines to see if our lines appear. Okay, you ready? Okay, let's do a section. See if it works. The reason you do it one section at a time is because you don't want the glue to dry on top of the wavy line. And then, yay, they appear. And they look like waves in the lake. Awesome. So we're painting blue, and Claire, is blue a warm or a cool color, do you know?
Cool color?
Yeah, it's a cool color. And I like thinking about it like the water is cool, so it must be a cool color. And later we're gonna make suns, and are those gonna be a warm or a cool color, you think?
Warm color probably.
Warm colors, right, because it's the sun. Okay, so in addition to the bunting, we're gonna have sunshines for the clubhouse, and Claire is working on the beginning of the sunshine. So we're using cardboard to make our sunshines, and Claire's using yellow, which, like we were talking about, is a warm color. And the warm color is gonna look really good with the bunting, which is a cool color. So once she is done painting, we are gonna cut out a circle for the center of the sun, and then we're gonna cut strips for the rays of the sun. Okay, so now we are going to assemble our sunshines, and we are going to use glue guns. These are cool glue guns, and you can use any kind of glue. You can use Elmer's glue, tacky glue is great. These are just super fast. We have them all glued and they're finished. Yay! Hey, son. Our blue wavy paper is dry, so I'm gonna give you half, Claire, and we are going to cut it into triangles for our bunting flags. So the next step is we're going to punch holes, 2 holes in the top of each triangle. Once our triangles have holes in the top, we can take some string and string them together. Ta-da!
Have a great birthday, Max.
Have a great birthday, Max. We hope you have a wonderful party and you enjoy your decorations.